This is Craiglea Chilli. Chilli's for sale in the spring Australian working stock dog auction, 5th to the 10th of September 2025. Chilli's a border collie female. She is 7 months old in these videos. She'll be 8 months old on sale day. Chilli's an AI pup. She's by Hot Sauce from the USA, owned by Tony Jatensky. We chose Hot Sauce for his type, his calm strength. He's a genuine all-round work dog and has also won in cattle dog trialling. Chilli's out of Craiglea Abby, one of our best bitches. Abby's a genuine daily work dog, works all classes of livestock, cattle, sheep and goats, cows and calves, and she's been a successful cattle dog trialer. She won the 3-year-old Derby, Queensland Cattle Dog Derby. She won the Cow Dog Challenge at the Australian Championships a couple of years ago, and she's been a good producer. We've got several young dogs at home out of Abby by different size. One thing I'd like to make really clear is that Chilli was the runt of her litter and she's still very small. So the main reason that we're selling her is purely because of her size. She's just too small to remain in our breeding program. So this photo we've put in is Chilli in the middle next to her litter sisters. I just thought that was the best way to gauge her size compared to where she maybe should be, or what is a bit more normal at her age. So if you're interested in Chilli and concerned about her size, please get in touch and we can talk about it. We just don't want someone buying Chilli and getting her home and being surprised about her size. No lack of keenness though. There's nothing wrong with Chilli's temperament or keenness or working style. She's balancing nicely. Goes both ways. She's finding the balance points pretty well. She does have a little bit of eye. You can see her stopping on her belly like that. That's her own initiative. She tends to take a position and stop naturally like that. It's not an issue. I just like to keep dogs like this on their feet and moving. I think that bit of eye will be a strength, not a weakness, down the track. But for now, I'm just choosing to keep her moving. She does have a stop on lead. I'm just not really using it on the stock at this stage because she seems to want to do it herself. Chilli's 7 months old in these videos. She'll be just 8 months on sale day. Chilli hasn't had a lot of this kind of work or training. We're just kind of seeing if she might grow a bit. She's progressing really, really quickly based on what we've done with her. So that's a stop there. Just working on the call off. She's very keen and doesn't call off that well at this stage. That's not a bad problem to have. This is Chilli's first look at some cattle. She's 7 months in this video. Genuine first look. I don't usually introduce pups to cattle this young, but I do like to just see what we've got in our sale dogs. If there's going to be any surprises with a transition to cattle, I'd rather see it myself before I sell them on to someone else. But as you can see, no problem with the transition. I'm happy to do it. I've got suitable cattle. So these deers are just a little bit heavy. I've been worked with dogs before. So I've just called Chilli's mother, Abby, out of the buggy, just to keep these cattle moving and just help Chilli build a little bit of confidence. Our first look. I would personally just give Chilli another couple of months before taking her to cattle. It's nice to see she's nice and keen. No fizz, no bark or anything like that. You can see she's really starting to free up a bit as she gains a bit of confidence. It's that little bit of eye that I mentioned. She just tends to take a position and lie down. Doesn't seem to be an issue. Chilli's a nice, keen young dog. Plenty of potential, nice working style, good temperament. She's had a great start, got a good foundation. It's just her size that lets her down. Please inquire if you're interested in Chilli. Happy to answer any questions. Thanks for watching.